Третий класс английский язык. Школы в Великобритании. Домашнее задание, страница 21. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Schools in the UK. Page 21. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 21. 21. Spotlight on the UK. UK. Сокращенно Великобритания. United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Schools in the UK. Exercise number 1. Read and find the age. Many children in the UK start nursery school at the age of 3 or 4. All children start primary school when they are 5 and spend 6 years there. Some children in primary schools wear uniforms. Schools in the UK. Прочитай и определи возраст. Many children in the UK start nursery school at the age of 3 or 4. All children start primary school when they are 5 and spend 6 years there. Some children in primary school wear uniforms. Name of school. Age. Nursery school. From 3 to 4. Primary school. 5. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.